Welcome to the AZ channel, and let's start the day with new video. Here we can see the Peekapoo cut full length.
Holy shit! Yo!
Shane.
Holy fuck! No way!
This is classic example that you need adjust your speed according to the road condition, and we can see what's going to happen right now.
Whoa!
Connecting to emergency services. Your call may be recorded or monitored.
Connexion au service d'urgence. Votre appel sera enregistré et surveillé. This is Hyundai Blue Link. Do you require police, fire, or ambulance?
Well, I got my airbag got deployed. I am on what is it? Westbound Stony Trail by the Deerfoot Trail intersection. I would definitely need. I think I can get out.
Here we're going to see the truck who's going to make an accident. He lost control of his truck and we can see what happened. We can see the damage, but it's nice. It's not so visible. Oh, look at these lunatics. They should pay attention to the road ahead, definitely. Here we can see the driver of the white car didn't respect the rule of the right side. This is something like racing.
Those drag races on the
And this is last video. We'll see the angry woman. So enjoy this last video and see you next time. Thank you for watching.
That sounds pretty nice.
Where are you going?
What's up?
I said, where are you going?
I'm gonna go floor and decor.
Are you doing like home renovation?
Yeah.